Welcome to JRMSweeps. I'm installing a Magnaflow Pro Series catback exhaust system on a 2015 Jeep Wrangler 2-door JK. You get the turn down piece, connector pipe, the exhaust, and the 3 clamps that you need to put everything together. Let's get started. I've already sprayed penetrating lubricant on the band clamps that you can see right here. This is the one on the back that need to be loosened. I'm going to remove the stock muffler from the back here first, and I'm going to do that with a 15mm deep socket. I'm going to use a pair of channel locks, and if I need to, a pry bar here to remove the muffler from the hanger. There's also going to be one more hanger right here on the passenger side in the back that we're going to need to remove. With the 2 hangers removed, you want to lube this up a little bit, and then I just took a hammer, knocked this down a little bit to get it started. You can see that the exhaust is ready to come out. There are 2 more hangers I'm going to have to remove. There's one over here towards the back, right here towards the front. We're going to remove those 2 hangers, remove this clamp, get this pipe out. Okay, to get the exhaust out, what I ended up doing was there are 4 bolts that are holding this plate, this little skid plate, into place. And then you can see right here that I'm able to pull that exhaust out this way. So I went ahead and removed this hanger here. We're going to slide this pipe on. We're going to leave it loose, hang it, finish the back part. All right, this is what it looks like, all bolted up. I'm ready to tighten the clamps down. We'll do a sound check. Thanks for watching.